Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Knowledge Asset. In this video, we will discuss about matrix. Already from the past 3 videos, we are discussing about matrix topic, and the previous video we have completed up to determinants in matrix topic, and in this video we will discuss about minor of an element. The previous video, that is determinants, the determinants is only possible for the square matrix. Other than the square matrix, it is not possible to find the determinants. We all know that from past video. If anyone not have watched that video, go and watch, clear your doubt. Now, what is minor of an element? In a square matrix, minor of an element is determined by deleting the rows and columns of that particular element. For example, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. This is a matrix. What is the minor of the element 2? I want the minor of this element 2. For this, minor of 2 is equal to determinant of that element deleting the rows and columns of that particular existing element. So here 2 is existing in second row and second column. So deleting this row and this column, write the remaining 1, 3, 3, 5. Now find the determinant for this value. We know the determinant. How to find the determinant is AD minus BC. Hence 5 into 1 minus 3 into 3. That is equal to 5 minus 9, and that gives rise to minus 4. This is the determinant of the matrix. Hence det A is equal to 4. Okay, this is how we find the minor of an element 2. Next, coming to the cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. What is the cofactor of an element? The cofactor of an element is the minor of the element multiplied by minus 1 into I plus j. What is this I plus j? I is the row and j is column. Cofactor of an element is determined by the product of minor of an element into minus 1 whole power I plus j. I is the row and row number and j is the column number. Suppose, for example, take A is a matrix consisting of 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 4, 5. What is the cofactor of an element 2? Okay, to find the cofactor of the element, simply we have to find the minor of the element. What is the minor of the element here means? We know that deleting that existing row and existing column, we have to find the determinant 3, 4, 4, 5. That is equal to 15. 5 3 is 15 and it is minus 16, that is equal to minus 1 is the determinant value. Now it is the minor of the element is multiplied by into I. What is the row number for element 2? It is 2 plus j. What is the column number of the existing element 2 is 1, first column. That is equal to, as it is odd number, again it gives rise to minus 1 Hence minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Hence the cofactor of the element 2 from the matrix A is 1. Similarly, find the cofactor of the element 5. It is also in the similar way. Let's find it. Finding the cofactor of element 5, we have to find the minor of the element, that is 2, 3, 2, 1, and it is equal to 2 minus 6, that is equal to 1 2 is 2 and 2 3 6, minus 6 is equal to minus 4, and it is multiplied by minus 1. Our row number is 3 plus column number is also 3. It is an even number, that is equal to 1 power 6. It gives rise to 1 minus 4 into minus 4 into plus 1 is equal to minus 4. This is the cofactor for the element 5 in the matrix A. This is how we find the minor of the element and cofactor of the element in matrix. Let us do some example problems. Find the determinant of the matrix cos A minus sin A, sin A, cos A. What is the determinant of the matrix? Means AD minus BC. Simply, whenever a question asked from determinants, do AD minus BC for 2 by 2 matrix. And here AD minus BC means cos A into cos A is cos square A, and minus AD minus BC. Sin A into minus sin A is sin square A minus sin square A, that is equal to cos square A minus to minus plus sin square A. We know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. It is a basic thing. We all knew that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Now, coming to the next problem, find the determinant of the matrix I, 1, 1, I. Find the determinant of the matrix. Here AD minus BC means I into I is I square minus 1 into 1. Here I square is nothing but minus 1. Substituting this I square is equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. The determinant of this matrix is minus 2. Next, find the determinant of the matrix cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. Find the determinant of this matrix. Finding this determinant is somewhat complex when we do with respect to first row. See, cos theta sin theta 0. First, with respect to row 1 and row 2, it is somewhat complex. So, choosing the third row, expanding by third row, we can do it simply as 0 into, except this, we have to do this determinant. 0 into sin theta into 0 is 0 and cos theta into 0 is 0. And also we knew that the sign assumption is like this. Okay. Now, minus 0 into, again here, this and this, cos theta into 0, 0, minus 0. Plus 1 into cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus AD minus sin theta into minus sin theta is minus sin square theta. This already we have done before. Now this gives rise to 0 minus 0 plus 1 into cos square theta plus sin square theta. This we already know that 1 into cos square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Hence, the determinant of this matrix is equal to 1 when we expand in the solution with respect to row 3. Now, let us see what is singular and non-singular of a matrix. Singular and non-singular matrix. A singular matrix is a matrix when we find the determinant of that matrix, that determinant value must be equal to 0, then it is called singular matrix. Suppose for example A is a matrix 2, 3, 4 and 6. Find the determinant of the value now. Once 6 2's 12, 4 3's 12, that is equal to 0. The determinant of the matrix A is equal to 0. Hence this matrix is called singular matrix. If the determinant value is not equal to 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. Okay, this is singular and non-singular matrix. Let us find one problem in singular and non-singular matrix. The question asked is 1, 2, 3, x, 2, 4 and 2, 3, 1 is a singular matrix, then find the value of x. Find x. A is a matrix consisting of arrays of elements and this is the singular matrix. Then find the value of x. From the given hint, what is the hint? A is a singular matrix. So, for a singular matrix, what is the condition? The det A must be equal to 0. Then, first of all, find the determinant of this matrix. And here, if we want to make it simple, we have to expand it by column, so that the determinant of the matrix is obtained and also the value of x to be found is also will be possible. Okay, now expanding it with the C1, we get 1 into 2, 4, 3, 1 minus x of 2, 3, 3, 1 plus 2 into 2, 3, 2, 4, that equal to 0. The determinant must be equal to 0. From this we will get 1 into 2 1's 2 and 4 3's 12. 2 minus 12 minus x into 2 minus 9 plus 2 into 8 minus 6 is equal to 0. From this we will obtain that minus 10 plus 7x, and here 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. And from this x is equal to 6 by 7. Hence we found the value of x by expanding the determinant with the column. This is the way to find the value of x with a singular matrix. When a singular matrix is given, we find the value of x in the easiest way. Okay, this is all about today's video. If you want many examples, follow our Instagram page _knowledgeasset04. This is our Instagram page. There we will post the important questions and important updates regarding our channel. Hope you all have understood. Thanking you for watching the video. Thank you.